Alright, so it is a little bit of a mess here, but we are going through a bit of a transition here at Definitely Tech. We're changing from this system in the back in the Meshify C. We're going from a Threadripper 1920X, and we are transitioning to this small form factor build. You guys will see the full specs on that soon. We are trying to get some real estate back on this kind of bigger desk, but I want a little bit more workspace. I can see my 2 keyboards, some drills, some cleaner out there, and some nice nutrition, Planters Nutrition nuts with blueberries. So what we're going to do is slowly make that transition over, and hopefully it'll go smoothly. We'll see how it goes. So my overall thoughts of my entry Threadripper budget build was that it was quite the beast, and with this custom Fractal design Meshify C painted case, while there were some imperfections, as you can see that bottom left corner, it did amazing in playing video games, especially with certain graphics cards in there. I originally had a 1070 Ti titanium, which fit the case perfectly, but I had a wonderful time with this PC, and I think with the new small form factor build, it's going to be amazing. And unfortunately, I can't kind of get rid of the case, mostly because it's got imperfections, and with such a fragile paint job, you can't really get rid of it. But I'm really glad that I was able to get into the enthusiast PC market with the TR socket, the Threadripper, and can't wait to see what's next. Well, let's take this apart. Alright, Threadripper PC off. So desk space clear. Let's clean this up and put on the new small form factor. And just like that, we've created so much space for more things. I have more gaming space, more laptop space, more desk test bench space. I definitely want to get a gaming pad in here, and it's going to be great. We'll see how it moves on from here. But it was a nice little desk vlog, and we're able to do, you get to see a little peek at this keyboard, which is wonderful. I love using it, and the small form factor build, as well as my background. As you can see, we're fluent, and we're running ADATA 64 to see how temps are over there.